Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be unboxing my SGCB package as well as the water dryer, so stay tuned. Just a quick background, SGCB is a Chinese company that's now in the Philippines. They are mostly catering to mainland China and Taiwan, and then they moved to Russia and Malaysia. Now they're in the Philippines. If you see them on Instagram, they're very famous in Russia. You'll see a lot of posts about this, so I'm very excited to show you that we now have this in the Philippines. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So I purchased some and then they sent me some for testing. I'm gonna test this out. Find some towels. Probably use that on a bead maker. Got a wood brush. Spray bottles. Our brush to test. I'm gonna put this against Tough Shine. This too. These are the ones for testing. These are the ones that I got. Blow gun. Ooh, this was heavy. Oops. Brushes. Now we're gonna unbox. Okay, this one is the water dryer, all right? All right, we got, oh, it expands. Okay, cool. Here's the hose, which expands. This is, I think this is where you put that hose in, and this is where you connect it. You have a flat nozzle, small nozzle, and another flat. And then we have the unit. Oh, it's not that heavy. Yeah, that's good. This is made of stainless. Okay, I thought it had wheels. So. Next project here, we're gonna put some casters here. I think if we can find some that fits. Flat plug, 220 volt, 2800 watts max. That's it. This is. Now it's going the other way. Okay, so the good news is we can thread this, so we have to find something longer if we need to. We can thread it here and then lock it in place here. So I assume this is also threaded. Yep. That's good. Maybe we can find a longer hose for this. Again, are you stupid? Okay, there you go. Then it's a pink leather. Very select. So, let's turn it on. Filter at the back, it pops off. We got foam here, so there's two filters. Yeah. Let's turn it on. sorry, forgot to tell you. This has the dial, so minimum, maximum, then blower on with heat, which is amazing. Let's see how it sounds. You're very near, like very near. Halfway, it's very strong. That's good. That is how it sounds. I don't want to test the heat yet. Maybe when I do the car wash. So quick video for now, guys. So stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to find out how the products perform on my scenarios. And find me on Instagram at trippymarv. Thanks. Bye.